At Avast, our mission is to build a safer world for businesses and people worldwide. We believe that everyone has the right to be safe and private online, no matter who they are or how they connect. Today's technology landscape has a new roadmap, and it changes constantly. Yesterday's methods are no longer enough to protect today's businesses. The modern workforce operates to a new rhythm, and with new tools, more and more of us are working remotely, from home or on the go, and so are our customers and partners. Digital transformation is no longer a question of if, but when. Whether your business is newly connected or is just adapting to the ever-changing market environment, it is vitally important to put in place necessary protections for your confidential data, for your customers, and for your employees.
Applications no longer live solely on the network. They live in the cloud, which means that companies are unable to form a secure perimeter around them. Data breaches and ransomware are increasing exponentially in both complexity and in frequency. And data centers with appliances are not easily scalable, are complex to manage, and come at a pretty high cost. So this means that companies with remote workers are either unable or are ill-equipped to appropriately protect them. Improved user experience, agility, convenience, and cost are all reasons why companies should consider changing their technology ecosystem. In order to embrace a mobile and cloud-first strategy, businesses need to make a plan to transition to modern security technologies that are robust, yet flexible and easy to use.
At Avast, we deliver these solutions, ones that are simple to understand and easy to deploy and manage from a single platform, saving you time and money. Whether it's a small accounting firm or a bank, a reseller, or large managed security service provider, we've got the right security tools to solve today's biggest security challenges. We are here to help your business securely transform its networks and applications for a cloud-first world. Whether you manage your cybersecurity in-house or outsource it to a managed service provider, we are here to support you every step of the way. Our all-in-one solution combines cloud-based endpoint protection and network security to help safeguard businesses from costly cyber attacks and create fast and secure connections between users and applications, regardless of device, location, or network.
Cybersecurity must be quicker, smarter, and more reliable than ever before. We are here as your trusted advisor. Our commitment to you is that we provide peace of mind so that you can focus on what matters most, growing your business.
Avast Business, all-in-one cybersecurity for the modern workplace. Total peace of mind.